Hey everybody, it's Haley. Today we are making Cowboy cookies. If you've never had these, they're delicious, warm and soft, gooey chocolate chip cookies with oatmeal, coconut, pecans, and possibly raisins. And y'all know I'm from Texas, so we have to use pecans because they're the state nut. And we're making some Texas Cowboy cookies. I've made these so many times for people and they always love them. They come out so good. So if you want to make these, ingredients are in the description box, and let's get started. These would also be really yummy if you're at home and it's cold outside. You just want a warm chocolate chip cookie and it's filling, it's delicious. Or these are good snacks too, even though they're cookies. So we're gonna start with 2 sticks or 1 cup of butter that is softened. Add half a cup or 100 grams of granulated sugar and 1 cup or 200 grams of brown sugar. I love brown sugar. It just makes chocolate chip cookies so good. The difference is brown sugar has molasses in it. Then we're gonna mix this on a medium speed until the butter and sugars are creamed together and they are light and fluffy. Mine was taking a little bit longer to mix because my butter was a little too cold. Spatula to scrape down the bowl. Add 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And again, beat this on a medium speed until it is well mixed and it's light and fluffy. You will probably need to scrape down the bowl again to mix in the butter and sugar. In a separate bowl, I'm mixing together 1 3/4 cups of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 good teaspoon of cinnamon, and a little bit of salt, but I'm using salted butter, so I'm using less. Then add the flour mixture to the rest of your ingredients and mix that on a low speed until it's just combined. Again, the spatula comes in handy. I love this one. It's from the Pioneer Woman and it's just so pretty. Then it's time for the mix-ins. We've got 2 cups of rolled oats, 2 cups of chocolate chips, 1.5 cups of shredded unsweetened coconut, and I'm chopping up 1.5 cups of pecans. You can toast these or you don't have to toast them. Then you can mix this in by hand or use your mixer. I'm also putting a little bit of dough in a separate bowl because I'm going to mix raisins into this part. If you want to do it to the whole batch, I think a cup of raisins would work, and this was so good. Then scoop out your dough onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. These are the small ones I made. I also pressed them down a little bit with my hands so that they would flatten more. You can bake these right away, or you can refrigerate the dough for an hour before baking if you want. Then bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 to 12 minutes until they're golden brown, but still gooey. So gooey, oh my god. Plating them on this cowboy plate we have. And of course I had to make some Texas-sized cookies, so I got some giant globs of dough and flattened them out a little so they would bake evenly, and I baked these the same. Whoa! Ooh, so good. And ta-da! The Cowboy cookies are all done. These are so gooey. They're just delicious. I love all the texture from the oats and the pecans. Perfection. They're just so good. They're too good. And look at these massive cookies. This is only half. I also made some of my cookies with raisins mixed in. And if you like raisins, I highly recommend that. like they're only just gonna make your cookie better. I hope you decide to make these at home. Let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want to see me make. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button for more videos. And thank you so much for baking with me. I'll see you next time. Bye!